really happy to introduce you to my guest today, Patricia Thaine, CEO of Private AI. Patricia, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much, Chris. It's a pleasure to be here.
Great. You're a little bit off the beaten path in terms of the guests we've had so far on the show, which I'm excited about. There's a lot of good stuff to discuss. Why don't we start with you telling us about your journey through the tech world and what it is exactly that goes on at Private AI.
Journey through the tech world. How far back do you want me to go?
Go as far back as you think is interesting.
All right. I actually started out in English literature and then moved to linguistics because I got kind of annoyed at the process of teaching English literature. And then I thought, well, eventually I'm going to want to have a job, and linguistics gives no job prospects. What am I going to combine this with? And I found out that there's this thing called computational linguistics. So I started looking into that, did a programming class, absolutely loved computer science, ended up making that my major, and then started a master's in computational linguistics at the University of Toronto right after undergrad. Following that, during my master's, I knew I wanted to start a company, and the decision was, do I start a PhD and work on a company during a PhD? Or do I join a startup to learn the ropes? And I chose the former.
Yeah.
So for Private AI, it's really about making it super simple for developers to integrate privacy into their pipelines, because they're not experts of privacy. A lot of people need to worry about either compliance or customer trust, and they're collecting unstructured data that often they need to be able to see in order to debug their systems, train their models. So if imagine you're a Grammarly and you want to integrate a privacy layer into Grammarly. If we didn't exist, you'd either have to rely on a third party that actually has very low accuracy that you're sending your data to, and therefore not respecting your own customers' privacy, because some of them store your data and use it to train their models, where you'd have to build in-house. And we found a lot of people were building in-house.
Yeah, I can say, I can validate both of those things. I have built privacy pipelines myself in-house, and I've also used Private AI, and I far prefer Private AI.
Much appreciated.